We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a stunning frame-off, restored 1979 Ford F150 Ranger XLT. Nicely sorted truck. Everything on it works. Super strong running motor. Ice cold air. Small lift. Just good attention to detail. Very strong running motor. Got the brand new grill bezel, bumpers, grill, headlight bezels. Just nicely done. Like a new truck. Dash is good. Truck sounds like it's got a little cam to it, but runs on regular pump gas. Just good, strong running truck. Get a little, the snow's melting, so we hit a little stuff on the way up, but wanted to get the video out. But, just nice truck. The stripes are decals. So, got an Alpine sound system in here. Nice paint. Jams. Speakers in the headline. A box light. But just a nice truck. Very nice paint. So there was one or two small chips that we have touched up. The original Ford on the tailgate. A couple tiny blemishes. Being picky, but they're there. Yeah, we gotta get one little chip there. One more little one right there. But I'm telling you, it's a nice truck. Frame off restored. Nice steering wheel. Just nicely sorted. Alpine system. And you'll find close to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. You want to talk to somebody in person, pick up the phone. My name is Mark, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, Lambert International, St. Louis International, they are one and the same airport. We'll be more than happy to pick you up, give you a ride to any one of our 3 warehouses, take a look at any of our muscle cars, SUVs, trucks. We'll take it for a ride, put it up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit for you. If you can't make it yourself, we welcome third-party inspections. Again, just forward us their itinerary if they want to come in. We'll pick them up as well, or otherwise arrange an inspection for the vehicle. As I said, it's a good, strong running truck. Straight down the road. Good firm shift. Four-wheel drive works, AC blows cold, all the gauges work. You know, I said this is turnkey. It's turnkey. We've got this one on sale, and for what we're asking for this, you would never even come close to the restoration cost. Not even close with a good solid truck to start with. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. We are located in Fenton, Missouri. We're in the suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. Again, that's 314-346-6039. Please like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. We're a small family business, pride ourselves with quality, classic vehicles. Again, you'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching.